Okay, we're going to do a functional test for the 48 volts 250 amps for the second charger of 48 volts. The serial number is 400. Serial number is 301112. 30112. Okay. So start. We are on flow charge 54 volts. Okay. Then we go for the boost. Okay, boost charge. Okay, the voltage 56.4. Okay. Okay, now switch to equalize charge. Okay, 56.4. Okay, now we go to the battery test number. Okay, battery test. Okay, battery test negative alarm. Okay, battery cycle test. Okay, battery circuit fault. Okay, now we do mains failure alarm. So what we do is off on the DC source, then off the AC. Okay, we off the AC. Now we have a mains failure. Okay, output still have. Okay, we on the AC. Okay, now back to normal. Okay, now we do the rectifier fault by taking out the firing of the controller of the DC. Okay, rectifier fault alarm. So now the voltage drop. Okay. Okay, now rectifier fault. Okay, we off. Okay, we put back the firing. Okay, then we normalize again. Okay, next is the rectifier high DC. Just above 2.4 will alarm high DC. Okay, high DC, after a few seconds the system will shut down. Okay, so the voltage drop until 0 volt. Then battery will take over if happen there's a rectifier high DC. Okay, we normalize. Okay, normalize. Okay, now we simulate the low DC, which is 1.9 volts per cell. Okay, below 1.9, the system will send an alarm DC low voltage. Okay, now DC low voltage alarm. Okay, go to normal 2.25. Okay, then we go with the earth fault or cubical high temp first. Cubical high temp now is set to 40 degrees. So we set to 20 degrees. So up higher than 20 degrees, alarm will show cubical high temp. You see here. Okay. So we put back to 40 degrees. Alarm should clear. Okay, so now next one is the earth fault. So we will just short the negative to earth. Okay, I short the negative to earth. Alarm should show Okay, negative earth fault alarm. Okay, then next is the positive. I short the positive. Okay, I short the positive side. Then we wait for the alarm. Positive earth fault now. Alarm. Positive earth fault. Okay. Okay, now next is the load test. So we on the load. Okay, wait okay, the load. We go for 10%. First 10% of 250 amps is 25 amps. So we on the 5 and 20 amps. Okay, now the current is 24.9. Display 25 amps, 54 volts. Actual voltage. Actual voltage is 54 volts. Output side. The output side is 47.9. Okay, 25 amps. Okay, we go to the 100%. So 100% now, about 251 amps. Display 250 amps, 53.5. Okay. So we measure output. Output voltage is 45.14. Okay, battery side 53.5. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, 53.7. Output DC is 53.64. Okay, then the output side. Output side is 45.33. Okay, display. Now we have a high current alarm. Once 90% of the 250 amps, the alarm device high current. So you can see here, so device high current alarm. Okay. So we go to the above 250 amps. Okay, above 250 amps. We put another 5 amps. So another 5 amps. Okay, now the current is 250. So we put above 250 amps, the voltage will drop. Above 250, I add in 5 amps already. More than 20%. So now it's about 53.1 DC. This output battery side is about 50, now dropped to 52.9. Okay, so that's all. We do the isolation test. So CB1 is okay already. So CB8. So we off the CB8. The light will off. Okay. Okay. Light will on. So we go to the CB. Okay, we go to the CB. Wait, Okay, now voltage is 54. I will on the load. I will off the load first. Okay. So here we have the voltage on the CB. We go for the these two CB. The voltage now 0. Breaker still off, so we just on. Okay, now CB31 is 54 volts. I off. Okay, voltage 0. Okay, I go to the CB32, 54 volts. I off. Measure. Okay, is 0 volts. Okay, so I go to this one, the last battery bank. Okay, polarity 54. Okay, I off. 0 volts. Okay, CB41 0, now it's 50 volts. I off. Okay, 0 volts. Okay, go to the CB42. You measure 50.3. Okay, I off. Now is okay, off, 0 volts. Okay, we have. Okay, that's all. We finished the whole test, function 1 to function 4.